Received my keypad lock today, model T004. The color is satin nickel. There are two options available, satin nickel and matte black. And this is only for the exterior finish. The interior is always same for both. Let's open and see what we have inside. User manual, good. Some stickers with setup guide. Let's see what is this. Everything neatly packed. Okay, let's open this. Looks like the front keypad. Here is the front keypad. The quick lock, one touch lock button is in the top. And then the keypad, completely stuffed items. The outside keypad, the inside block for the handles, two handles, the outside and the inside one, and some hardware and case. Let's start the install, and I will have another video for the install.